Hello guys, welcome back. Today I've got Motorola Moto G22 and I'm going to show you how to fix your phone getting hot while charging. First, know that your phone getting hot while charging is normal, but only when using fast charging or when using your phone while charging. You shouldn't use your phone while charging, remember that. If you're using fast charging, it's normal. However, you need to distinguish if your phone overheats. If your phone overheats, it's uncomfortable to use and hold. You need to do something about it. First, open the settings in your phone. Head to the battery. Tap Battery Usage. Here you can see many applications and system information, battery usage since full charge. First, you need to see the top application. If you see a non-system application, go back to the main settings menu and go to the app section. Open See All Apps, find that application, and tap Battery right here. Now restrict this application from background activity. Remember that you won't get notifications or they will be delayed. That's it for this section. Apart from that, remember to use an original charger and cable. It doesn't have to be genuine from Motorola, but it has to have some certifications. It has to be branded, like Baseus or Anchor, for example. Buy a certified one, same with the cable, and then it probably won't overheat. Avoid using your phone while charging, for example gaming. Also, remove the case to improve heat dissipation from your phone. Charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. Remember not to charge it under a pillow, under a blanket, or something like that, and you'll be good. Let me know if I fixed your issue. Goodbye.